If you accidentally spill water on a fabric sofa with like velvet, you can simply use a tissue or a clean towel to wipe it off. Similarly, food crumbs and dust on a leather sofa can be easily wiped away. When it comes to liquid spills, leather is much easier to clean due to its water-resistant nature. You just need to blot it with a tissue. If you're concerned about maintaining the leather, you can also use a leather cleaning cream for extra care. For everyday maintenance, a long-handled vacuum cleaner is all you need to make your sofa look brand new. The flat nozzle of cleaner is especially great for getting into those tricky sofa gaps, helping you clean hard-to-reach corners like a pro. If you want to take your cleaning game to the next level, especially for light-colored sofas like white ones, using dry cleaning powder with a vacuum cleaner not only helps you remove surface dust, but also keeps the color looking fresh and fat-free. Plus, this method helps prevent fabrics from shrinking or developing mold. For stubborn stains, like water or coffee marks you didn't clean up in time, you can use a steam cleaner to blast medium-low temperature, combined with a special cleaner to dissolve the stains. Then, the machine's nozzle sucks up the dirty water, leaving no trace behind. Just a heads up, this method is only safe for heat-resistant fabrics or synthetic leather sofas. Leather sofas might not appreciate the treatment. You can machine wash the removable sofa covers on a delicate cycle using a gentle, water-based detergent and cool water for a thorough clean. This way, those tough, widespread stains will be gone in no time perfectly and easily. Once you slip the freshly cleaned covers back on, you'll have yourself a sofa that looks brand new, ready for more cozy moments.